this time. This time I was able to. Okay. Let's see how much score we get. In 30 seconds, I am able to score 21 times. Hi, today we will create a reaction game in AppLab. To do that, click on AppLab. It will take you to the new project, but please remember the new project is not having a name, so rename it. I will call it reaction game. Okay, so what we will do in reaction game, we want to create a button or an object that will be appearing on the screen here and will quickly moving and appearing at random locations. So for example, for 1 second it may appear here and then it suddenly will appear here. Then after some time it may appear here. If you click on this button, you will get a +1 score. This will go into 3 series, part 1, part 2, part 3. In every series, we will create one game, and in next series, we will create something better, and in the part 3, we will create our final game. But even if you miss part 2 and part 3, you will have a functioning, beautiful reaction game that you can share with your friends. Let's start. To do that, first we will go to design. In design, I will have two screens. First screen, I will call it main screen. And I will have one more screen. This new screen, I will give a name as score screen. Now, I will have a background color. So for this screen, I will choose a background color that is a bit on lighter side. And if this is done, let's go to my main screen. And for this screen, again, I will choose a color. And I believe this color is very good. So this is done. Now, I need a button there. Let me put a button here at the center. Let me give my button name. So this is called click button. And I will give it a name, click me. Now, I want to make it round. To do that, I will change two things. One, height section is width is 100. So I'll make height also 100. And that will, after that, I will change the radius. The more you make the radius, more circular it will start becoming. You can see now, after some time, it won't make any difference. And that is the time I will stop it. My text looking a bit smaller, so I will change the text and will make it as 25, 22. Now only last thing remains. I want to make my button color a bit darker so I can see it clearly. So my screen number 1 is completely ready. Now I will go to screen 2. In the screen 2, which was called score screen, I need two labels. Label 1 I will put here and label 2 I will put here. In label 1, I'll make it big and I will say your final score. And again, as I said, I will change the font size to 30. 30 is too much. Let's make it 25. And after making 25, let's go and look at the background color. And in the background color, should I make background color a bit different? So here is your final score, and my score will appear here. That I will make even bigger, and I'll put here 40. Let me put this thing at the center. So my screen number 2 is also ready.